Well, welcome back, everyone. Another exciting day in markets. And the key question here is the bounce that started on Friday still alive? Let's go explore that very quickly here. The 4-hour chart was the magical moment on Friday where we had the sell signal appear on the 15th of August, hit that TRP target 2 almost right on the head, and the bounce started. Now, we did see today a higher start, a move back down, and indecision to end the day on that 4-hour bar. Let's back up the time frame to the daily and the weekly. Why? We want to understand the bigger tracks that are set down for swing traders and day traders alike. When we look at the daily chart, we know very clearly that we are in a counter trend bounce. It's not a big surprise that we had a bit of a challenge, really grinding up into the channel of resistance that's falling above price. However, we are left with support of the speed lines holding. So between the 4-hour chart and the daily chart, we know that at best at this stage, it's still a counter trend bounce that's clinging on with dear life. But I do want to emphasize, as we ended the day, that the hourly chart, which was on a buy signal as of yesterday, it has maintained support of the channel, which is not to be taken as optimistic, but it is a supportive factor. All of this is under the umbrella of a weekly chart that is still on a sell signal. So a lot of negativity for swing traders to still work through to get into bullish long side trades. However, the idea of a move back up to try and regain support, not fully off the table. Where do we go from here, and what are the trading candidates potentially on the bullish long side, or with signal in play right now, still on the daily chart, didn't quite make it all the way down to the target 2. That's neither here nor there at this stage. Why? Because we made it to midline. But if we are in a counter trend bounce that fails, we want to replace the word if with an actual probability. That probability grows as we see loss of support on the 4-hour chart from the slow speed line, loss of support of the channel on the hourly chart, and then back down we go to that bigger track laid down and bigger signal, with the weekly chart suggesting we're still likely tilted down. At this stage, I want to explore that in detail with swing traders and set up how markets may be able to open tomorrow for both swing and day traders. And I am extraordinarily excited about inviting you to the session that's going to happen tonight. It's happening at 7 p.m. I'm going to take the strategies that I employed for day trading primarily in the market today, where I played a little long there, and I was able to get a little live trading done in front of members. And I'm going to show you how that came to fruition. It's the same tools and strategies that I'm going to be able to expand on for bigger time horizons, and again, the same time horizons. Now, all trading is at the independent trader's risk. I'm not a registered advisor. I can't tell you what to do, and the result on screen is not necessarily indicative of future results or past track record. So I'm going to pull you back now down to that invite where I would love to see you at 7 p.m. Eastern time today. That's not too far away from where we are right now. And of course, I would love to carry that conversation on with you and share tools and techniques that I'm using in my personal trading, as you just saw in my live cash dome, from this incredible, simple, and powerful toolkit built by a 32-time international and domestic trading champion, Mr. Rob Hoffman himself. Very excited to share my knowledge, techniques on this toolkit with you tonight. Hope to see you there. It's a do not miss if you're looking at actively participating in these exciting markets. See you at 7 p.m. Eastern time today. It's a do not miss and not a recorded session. So we'll see you there shortly. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.